All right, we're starting off with our yellow corn tortillas in our greased 9x13. I'm grabbing my pico de gallo. You can make your own if you like, but I just got the store-bought. And we're gonna put this whole package of pico right on top of our tortillas. And this was a 10-ounce container of pico. I'm gonna grab my spatula and kind of just make sure that is from edge to edge. Ooh, it smells so delicious. Next thing we're gonna add is a can of green chilies. Now the pico does have jalapenos, so there is a little bit of heat, but these green chilies are mild, so they won't bring any extra heat, which is why I love them. Go ahead and kind of get that well blended in with that pico. Yummy. Next, I'm coming in with my bacon. Now this is 20 strips of bacon that I kind of just cut up. And we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle it in there. You can use whatever breakfast meat you like. You could do a ham, you could do a chorizo, you could do a sausage. You can do whatever you like. Chorizo is more traditional for this recipe, but I love bacon and so does my family, so that's why I went with bacon. And we're just gonna making sure that it's kind of a bite in each, a piece of bacon in each bite so that everyone is happy.
That's a lot of bacon.
Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna come in with my pepper jack cheese and we're gonna pour half of our bag, which is 4 ounces, on top of that bacon. Beautiful, save that for later. We're gonna add half a bag of our sharp cheddar cheese. So another 4 ounces of cheese. Now, if you don't like this much cheese, you can just choose one or the other, but you can use whatever cheese you like and as much as you like. Beautiful, honey wants cheese. Now I'm gonna come back in with 6 more tortillas and we're gonna put that right on top of all that goodness. Oh my. Now you can use flour for your tortillas, but I have a few gluten-free family members, so I chose the corn, and plus corn tastes better in my opinion. I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the side and bring in my large bowl and whisk. And in my large bowl, I'm gonna pour 12 dozen eggs right in there. Beautiful. And we're gonna keep this measuring cup out because we need to add 2 cups of whole milk into our eggs. You can use half and half, heavy cream, low fat milk, whatever you prefer. I like whole milk because it adds a little bit of fattiness to our delicious Mexican breakfast. Beautiful. Now to really bring in the flavors, we're gonna season this with some taco seasoning. I'm gonna add a generous amount because this is gonna serve about 8 to 10 people depending on the slices you do. So I added about 2 tablespoons of that taco seasoning to our mixture. Now let's go ahead and whisk this up. Oh my goodness, I love this breakfast. It is great for a Sunday brunch. It's great for a church potluck. All right, that looks perfect. Now you guys know what we're doing next. We're pouring these eggs right on top of those tortillas with all of that delicious stuff. Right on top. Oh my. And that's why it's important to grease your pan so those eggs don't stick. Delicious. Now, bring back those cheeses. We're gonna finish it off with the rest of our cheese. Yeah, I know, honey, but this is pepper jack. It's spicy. All right, let's get this nice and covered so we get like a crispy brown cheese top. Rest of our cheddar cheese. And this is gonna be incredible. And that is ready. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for 45 minutes. All right. We actually left it in there closer to an hour, but look at that beautiful browned crust. Oh, it smells amazing, looks amazing. The only thing that will make it better, some sriracha. Oh my, ooh. This is optional, but I'm just gonna do a nice little drizzle right on top. Makes it look prettier too. Delicious. The last thing we're gonna add is a little bit of freshness, some cilantro right on top. This is optional. I know it's not everyone's favorite. These toppings are totally not necessary, but I think it just adds some great flavors. This is ready. I know I always sing and you guys hate it, but it's part of who I am.
They hate it when I sing too, but I still do it.
Oh yeah, look at that. Looks absolutely incredible.
Whoa.
Breakfast is ready. The cheese, the egg, the tortillas, the pico. Oh, it's gonna be really good. And remember, we added taco seasoning to the eggs. Those eggs are just so fluffy and delicious. It's gonna be super hot, but super yummy. Mmm, mmm.